Splitting your payment on Expedia is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can split your payment on Expedia. So for that, as you guys can see, expedia.com, and there I'm just gonna book any of the flight randomly. So I'm just gonna select any of the flight, and then I will go to the checkout section. You can see if you can split the payment. So suppose I want to book this one, so I'm just doing it randomly, but you have to be careful while choosing these things. So I'm going to click on select, and then it will take me to the checkout. So if I click on go to checkout, it will take me to the checkout. Now in the checkout, you can split the payment into monthly installments. So as you guys can see, if I scroll down, I will easily be able to pay with the Klarna, which allows you to pay in monthly. But you will not be able to, split or divide the payments for two persons or two credit cards. You won't be able to do that. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.